एक तरफ जहां दीपिका ने अपनी नाराजगी जताई एक लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर के खिलाफ उनके वार्डरोब मैलफंक्शन का न्यूज प्रिंट करने के लिए, वहीं पूरी इंडस्ट्री ने उनका साथ दिया। इनफैक्ट एवरीवन इज प्राउड दैट दीपिका एक्चुअली टुक अ स्टैंड। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं कि सेलेब्स का क्या कहना है दीपिका के स्टैंड के बारे में।
I think it's great that it took an actor to stand up for the rest of us. I think it's something that we've been जूझते हैं ना चीज़ों से, हम उससे जूझते आए हैं इतने सालों से, and I'm really glad that she took a stand, and I hope that it's something we've always talked about. The media should be responsible because we're also people, and be responsible about us as women, as people, and it's great that maybe this will bring a little light to what we deal with.
I think it's pretty uncool to look at women as objects, objectifying them. It's really uncool, and I don't think any woman needs to be embarrassed or apologize for something that's happened that's an accident. If a guy has a wardrobe malfunction, it would be as embarrassing, and I think it's really uncool of people out there on Twitter who are doing what they're doing. So I think just leave her alone. She's a fantastic actress. She's having a great year. Let's celebrate that instead.
It's a shame कि इस तरह की स्टूपिड पिक्चर्स जो हैं एक तो ली जाती हैं और ऊपर से उनको इतना ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जाता है उन पे, एक इतने बड़े आर्टिस्ट की डिग्निटी को जो है वो सरेआम अटैक किया जाता है। आई होप उनको अपॉलॉजी की जाए और आई होप कुछ जो लोग हैं इर्रिस्पॉन्सिबल वो पूरे देश को इस चीज़ को लेके शर्मिंदा ना करें, क्योंकि ये एक इंसान की हार नहीं है, एक जर्नलिस्ट की या एक पेपर की हार नहीं है, ये पूरी कंट्री की, एजुकेशन सिस्टम की, हमारी अपब्रिंगिंग की, हमारी सोसाइटी की, ये सब की हार है। और एक दीपिका का स्टैंड होना अपने लिए शी इज़ नॉट स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर हर सेल्फ, शी इज़ स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर एवरी आर्टिस्ट, एवरी वुमन, एवरी मैन इन दिस कंट्री, सो वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर।
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग भी इंसान ही है, वार्डरोब मैल फंक्शन किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है, एंड मैं ये बिलीव करती हूँ कि हमें ह्यूमंस की तरह ट्रीट करें जब हमारे साथ ये हो तो, एंड नॉट ब्लो इट आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर वुमेन एंड वी डिजर्व टू बी ट्रीटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट।
That's a very good stand that she's taken, and I think not just myself, I'm sure every girl, including you girls, will support her, and I'm very happy that she's taken a stand for this, because I also see a lot of these things about myself on Twitter, and I never really did anything about it, but I'm really proud of her, and I think she's done a great thing.
I think more than a proud and a strong stand, I think what Deepika's done is absolutely right, and any other woman in her place would do the same thing. And I think just when you're going to sensationalize or titleize something and just use another woman just because she's famous and use it against her, I don't think it's in good taste. And what she's done is she's pretty much stood up for every woman in the industry and every woman out there. So kudos to her.
I really don't think it's such a big deal. You can't always have everything working perfectly. Like even today, the dress I am wearing, I was very worried about a malfunction. But anyway, these things happen. I think these are awkward moments, embarrassing moments, and if you just make a big deal of it, then it just becomes that.
What do you have to say about Deepika's stand? Do you support her as well? बताइए हमें अपने कमेंट्स के जरिए।